Hi everyone, welcome to the short presentation I'm doing about what I made during my summer 2020 internship for Scanify. Please note that everything you see on the screen, I coded up. So what this was a new dashboard. Scanify needed a new main dashboard for their solar energy projects, and so I was tasked with rebuilding it from scratch, so completely from scratch. So I had to use many technologies to build this, mainly React, and then I had to integrate many different APIs, which I will discuss in this video. So here we can see the Scanify navbar here, that functions. You can see that moves with the screen, so it's a responsive. So I did use Bootstrap for much of the CSS integration, but I edited much of it so it didn't have that same feel to it. It had much more of a personal feel. So this is the My Projects page, which includes the clients of Scanify's projects. So we have a search bar, sort mechanism, filter mechanisms, filter by role mechanisms. We have different views, and we on this right we have this Mapbox integration, which is so I had to learn how to use this API and how to integrate it. So I have experience with using different APIs. You can click on certain projects, and so I built this zooming mechanism that zooms into certain real life projects, and so what we see here are the actual projects. So these are some example projects of different houses where there will be solar energy implemented. We have these buttons, and so there will be information regarding the address so people can see them all. What's nice is you have different views. You can have a kind of smaller view of all the projects. You can have a square views. You can have another different view, and you can have a list view. So you have different views based on how you would like to see this. You can default to a certain view. What's really nice is, so let's go back to this view, is that you can filter through them. So if you want to see the John Garcia, so I built this search mechanism. Here you can search through them, and then if you want to see Zichterman Eric, you can see that too. You can also filter them by certain projects. So I believe we only have one commercial product, and it's this one, which is the South Clubhouse. So then you can cross it out. You can also see things in the so last 6 months there has been nothing because time has passed. So let's do last year, right? So you can only see almost all of them within the last year. But let's see, like, submitted by a certain person, for example, with a certain ID. So it's this one, and then if you want to see another ID submitted, you can see it. So you can filter it by different things. So we have different views, and so lastly, we can also look through the map, zoom in and out. These are the actual addresses of these actual projects. So these are not random addresses. These are the real addresses of these projects. And what's nice is you might not need this map, so you can hide the map. You can focus right here, so you just see the projects more large scale, or you can show the map, so you have this now. Or if you just want to focus on the map, you can full screen the map, so you just see all of the map, all the products. So, and we built this zooming mechanism to show you where it is. Also, we built in, so for example, you can see in the map this project near Detroit. You want to know which one we're talking about, you click see project, you're taken there. So I did all of this, and then otherwise you can also, if you see a project here, so if you go up here, you can imagine Branscom. If you want to know where that is on the map, you click this button and it takes you there. So this is actually not a real place, but anyway, yeah, all of this functionality I worked on throughout all of summer. It was thousands of lines of code. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you know that I can do similar. I'm good with JavaScript. I'm good with all of this, and I had complete autonomy to design this. So I do know my way around working on large scale projects. Okay, thank you so much.